Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Igor and today I'm going to challenge myself to make a beat in under 1 hour. Oh yeah, under 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. One quick disclaimer is that here I'm not going to add any mixing. I will only focus in creating a beat. I will focus mainly in the harmonies, in the melodies, and the groove itself. So yeah, let's start and see how it goes. I have already here the logic already prepared for me, and my goal here is to add some tracks and see how it goes. Right now, this is 120, which is like the standard configuration for Logic, but I will create some kind of melody here. I will try to. I'm using here Analog Lab because I really like the diversity we have in terms of sound over here. Sometimes I like to create my own sound on Serum, but I don't have this kind of time right now, so I will use this. Nice. Let's see how it goes with adding some harmony over here. Okay, now we have this syncopation over here. So we have now the melody in the harmony. So the harmony is quite simple, which is C, G, G, A minor, and a little bit different, C with F in the bass to come back to C, right? Let's listen only the harmony. And by adding the melody, dun, 808 maybe. Oops. One thing that I like to do is like to bounce it in place. Since I'm not going to recreate the MIDI, if I'm not going to reuse the MIDI, I will just sample it, kind of sample it. You will understand later on. So I will add one thing that I like to do is to test, for example, in different octaves. something interesting is coming out of it. Now I want to check I like this harmony, and let me bounce it and see how it goes. Why it's always bouncing? Okay. Okay, perfect. I changed it. I changed it a little bit the EQ for these three tracks, and I wanted to have the piano more wider, not so bright, but yeah, you can see here. I want the harmony to be there, quite present. So now it's pretty much the basic stuff in terms of beat making. One thing that I like to do is like to sample my own thing, so I can reuse it later on. One thing that I like to do, maybe I will sample this. Okay, perfect. Now I have the sample over here. Let me. Right. Now I like to mess it up. How, you ask? One thing is I like to add some effects to it. Oh yeah, perfect. I like to add some effects to it. For example, I want to add chorus. I like to exaggerate sometimes just to see how it will behave, and then right. Perfect. We have now chorus. I will try something different over here and add some reverb to give the spatial feeling. One thing that I like to do is to have a different channel for that, a new bus for that, and just move it. And I will be able to do that to give a more wide spacing sensation. Yeah. Okay. From that, we can, for example, reuse the same effect in another track. It's a really nice thing for you to, a really nice technique for you to not use too much of CPU or memory, and also to have more this glue effect, which is that's what I'm doing right now, right? Keep it here, or maybe let's see what I can do later. And now I will start to break it using BitBreak. BitBreaker is a really nice plugin for you to mess with your beat, your sound, by breaking it. Over here you have everything flat, nothing changes. It's not nice at all. Now, I really like this one. It's a really nice tool for you to try to be creative with your own sounds by breaking it, by changing, repeating, and so on and so forth. And it's worth a lot for you to spend some time and learning how to use it. And now I'm going to try something different over here. Let's see. Now I'm missing something like an 808 to do some something like that. Let's see if Analog Lab has something that I can use it. 808? I don't think so, but let's see. I really like this effect that is slicing up the string. Something. Okay, yeah. The problem is here. This. Perfect. Now I have the baseline of it. Kinda. Okay, now I have the basic idea of how my beat's going to behave, and now I can work from it. And of course, because I have only 20 minutes. Let's see what I can do. Let me first of it, oops, all of it, right? But something is missing. What? Drums, for sure. One thing that I like to do is to use the pattern region where I'm just playing this. Okay. As you can see, now I have harmony, melody, a little bit of distortion. The sample I created, it's now a little bit messed because I wanted to. We have bass and now we have drums. Now how I'm going to create something. One automation that I want to change is okay. Let me hide this, and now I want to add some. And now I'm going to create another pattern region over here. However, it's going to be only 12 steps. I have only 10 minutes, so I'm going to finish here somehow. Okay. Here it is. A couple of minutes have passed, and oh, good. I think we have a really nice thing to do, to use right now. As you can see, and I will remove this. Guys over here because it's not necessary. And then, as you can see, in the middle of the process, I not only created something interesting, and then I found it. I found something interesting, which is this part over here. Let me solo it, and then. Yes. If you like it, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe so you can receive more content from me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for having fun with me, and see you later.